Hi guys, today I have a squishy box and I'm so happy and I'm gonna see what's gonna be in it. And that's my mama for him. So it's gonna be a lot of something. So I got the bread. Okay, I got my pink scissors. Okay. Okay, you ready? Wow, that feels so good. Oh yeah. I grade this one a 10 out of 10. Next, I want to start with the butter squishy. Did you see this? See that butter? Okay. I already have a butter, but this one's gonna feel different. The butter. Oh. Then I get rid of that 9. So next is so hard. The cheese. Maybe. What is this? It feels like a dumpling. Oh my god. I like that one. I rate that a 10. So next, the tap squishy pole. Oh my god. So little. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so pretty. I rated it in 10 out of 10. But you right there, that's hard. Next, I'm going to start with the strawberry. Like, I'm so happy that I got a squishy box. I actually... Oh my... It's so cute. I'll rate this a 10. Next, I'll start with the apple next. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, 13. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, I grade that a 10. Next, I'm gonna start with this snowflake needle. I cannot even cut this, sir. Oh my god, 3, 2, 1. It feels so good. Last but not least, the needle. You're serious right now? Y'all serious? See the little like stuff in it? I already know it's 100. The cheese. We're gonna do it again. Cheese. The bread. The butter. The tab squishy. Wait. The strawberry. The apple. The snowflake needle, and last but not least, this one.